This one is our main corridor. Flat both side of main corridor. I am in center of this corridor. Now I am entering in flat 1. First one, this one is TV, this side TV, venue box. Both top we keep 180. TV bottom in 1 meter. Venue box bottom 120. This one is living room. This one is balcony. Switch for balcony. We have one 13 ampere socket and one telephone socket here. And opposite side, one 13 ampere socket, one telephone socket, one TV. This one is 13 ampere socket. This one telephone, this one TV. Here, this one is switch for living room. This one is thermostat. For thermostat we keep 25 conduit. This 25 conduit coming from FCU point. This one is switch for lobby. Here this entrance lobby. This area is lobby. This area is living room. For this lobby we keep one 2-way switch, one pipe from here to another GI box, and another pipe loop with light junction box. Now I am entering by this lobby. This one is kitchen. Let me show kitchen later. One is one washroom. Here switch for washroom, light, 2-way switch. For the lobby we show there. This lobby, light 2-way switch, one is there, another is here. From DB one pipe come to this box, another pipe directly loop with this another 2-way switch. Then if I go left, this one is one bedroom. This flat is 2 bedroom and 1 living room. This is the washroom for this bedroom. Here we have switch for light, and this one is water heater. There is 2 conduit. One is coming from TV, another is going to water heater outlet. This is the water heater outlet. This is bedroom 1. In each bedroom we have one 13 ampere socket. Center one is for telephone, data, and this one is for SMA TV. This one switch for this bedroom, this for thermostat. For 2 bedroom we have one thermostat, and for living room we have separate thermostat. There is total 2 thermostat in this flat. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, one thermostat. This thermostat will go to FCU. Let me show another bedroom. This one is switch for bedroom 2, washroom. When I am entering into bedroom 2, this GI box for light. Same here. This one is 13 ampere socket. Center one is telephone and last one is for TV. And opposite wall we don't have TV socket here, only 13 ampere socket and telephone there, only one conduit directly go to ONU box. For 13 ampere socket you see 2 conduit, one will be loop with this socket and this 13 ampere socket, another will be go to DB. Both are single socket. Now let me show kitchen. There are some more points come in this door for kitchen. Beside this door, this GI box for emergency switch for gas switch. This one is not light switch, this one is gas switch. From this gas switch you see one pipe is go down. This one will be looped with this GI box and another pipe. This one you are seeing in floor. From DB power will come here and from here we loop to emergency switch. Then from emergency switch this pipe will go to gas meter. This one is gas meter. This round box is gas meter. This one will loop with emergency switch. This one for water heater. From DB one pipe will connect with this and this one will go to water heater outlet. This pipe switch for light of this kitchen. This one will come for exhaust fan. There is different types of exhaust fan come in this project. With this GI box and this GI box there is a loop. Here this one is exhaust fan. This wall fridge will come here. This one is 13 ampere socket for this fridge. Switch for washing machine outlet. here there are two pipe come. One is connected with outlet, another this one will go to DB. Our cooker will come here. This one we keep for ignition switch. We will look with any 13 ampere socket. This one cooker hood. We already drop pipe when we do slab conduiting. With light point we connect with this cooker hood. There is no separate circuit for this cooker hood. It's common circuit with light. This one, as I say before, this one is gas meter. This one will connect with emergency switch. And this last one, this one 13 ampere double socket. This double socket and this single socket for freeze will loop, and anyone will connect with DB. But our electrician keep two pipe from both socket. That's all in kitchen. This one is window. We don't have anything here. This side also free space. We don't have any services here. This is the kitchen. These are the switch for light, water heater and exhaust fan. First one 13 ampere socket, then washing machine switch. Top one is switch, bottom one is outlet, then ignition switch for gas. This one 13 ampere double socket, and above this double socket this one is gas. This one is cooker hood. That's all we have here. This entrance lobby I already show. Where entrance lobby is straight, we keep just one switch. But here, this area, there is a curve, so we keep two-way switch here. This telephone box, we don't have any pipe upper side. All data socket, telephone socket individually will come and connect with these pipes. In DB we have pipe downside and upper side also. Two will connect with thermostat, and center two conduit is for lights. Where required open piping they will do here. This is the balcony. This one light here. This for this balcony light. After there are some concrete work is balanced. After they finish the concrete wall, our electrician will connect with this pipe with this. Okay friends, this all we have electrical pipes conduiting work in 2 BHK. Hope you guys enjoy the video.